Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a charged Oneplus and the Settings app open. First, unlock your phone and go to Settings. This starts the change immediately. Once there, make sure you're logged into the primary user account so emergency settings apply. If you have a case or bad screen response, adjust grip for stable taps. Now tap Security and Lock Screen or Safety and Emergency. Different Oxygen OS builds label it slightly differently. This first action routes you to the menu, where the emergency call behavior lives. Once in the correct menu, scroll to Emergency Information and Emergency SOS Settings. You'll see multiple toggles. You want to enable or disable auto call on lock screen and set the emergency shortcut method. Press power button 5 times or hold power plus volume depending on your build. Make sure to add trusted contacts and review medical info so first responders have essentials. If there's a countdown delay option, set it to your comfort level. This prevents accidental calls while keeping fast access After configuring, save your choices and perform a quick test. Use the actual trigger but cancel before call connects to avoid dialing emergency services. If the shortcut doesn't activate, restart the device and reopen settings to confirm toggles persisted. Sometimes permissions or firmware glitches revert changes. If problems continue, clear Settings app cache or update Oxygen OS. As a final step, back up your data and consider a factory reset. This fixes deep issues, but is only recommended when other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.